Hey you tiny house dreamers, you wondering if an Amazon tiny house under $10,000 is worth your hard-earned cash? Today, we'll review 5 incredible prefab tiny homes from Amazon and dive into their advantages and disadvantages. Please subscribe and go to the description if you want to order the tiny home for discount at Amazon. Let's see if one of these could be your ticket to affordable tiny living. First up, we have the Abbrus portable 13x 20-foot prefab tiny home. This compact yet spacious design is perfect for those looking to downsize without sacrificing comfort. This beauty comes with 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a kitchen, all for just $4,999. Yes, you heard that right, under $5,000 for a fully functional home. That's less than some high-end coffee machines. Imagine getting an entire home for the price of a luxury appliance. This Abbrus model is made from prefabricated materials, which helps keep the cost down. These materials are not only affordable but also durable and sustainable. Plus it's designed for easy assembly, meaning you can save even more by potentially doing it yourself. The step-by-step instructions make it a fun and rewarding project. Think of it like adult Lego, but instead of building a spaceship, you're building your future home. It's a creative and practical way to get hands-on with your living space. Of course, with a price tag this low, there are going to be some compromises. The interior is minimalist, but it's designed to maximize every inch of space. The square footage is on the smaller side, but hey, that's the beauty of tiny living, right? You're downsizing and simplifying. It's all about making the most of a cozy, efficient space. Plus, think of all the money you'll save on utilities and furniture. Smaller spaces mean lower energy costs and fewer items to buy. And let's be real, this tiny home is perfect for a single person or a couple just starting out. It offers a unique and affordable way to own your own home. It's also a great option for those looking for a vacation home or a guest house. Imagine having a cozy retreat that you can escape to on weekends. Imagine having your friends and family over and casually mentioning, "Oh yeah, that guest house, got it on Amazon for $5,000. It's a great conversation starter." Overall, the Abbrus portable 13x 20-foot tiny home is an incredible value for the price. It offers a unique blend of affordability, functionality, and style. If you're on a tight budget and looking to break free from the traditional housing market, this could be the perfect solution for you. It's a smart, economical choice for modern living. Next, we have the 20-foot container home, available for $8,600. This one's got 2 bedrooms and even a cozy living room. It's a step up in terms of space. Now we're talking about some serious square footage. And the best part, it's made from a shipping container. Plus they're designed to withstand the harshest conditions, so you know your home is built to last. With 2 bedrooms, this container home is perfect for a small family, or a couple who want a little extra space. Imagine having a dedicated guest room for when your in-laws come to visit. You could even turn one of the bedrooms into a home office or a gym. The living room is surprisingly spacious too. You can comfortably fit a couch, a coffee table, and maybe even a small entertainment center. This container home also comes with a fully equipped kitchen and bathroom. Overall, the 20-foot container home is a great option for those who want more space than the Abbrus model, but still want to stay under $10,000. It's durable, stylish, and surprisingly spacious. Third on our list is the portable prefabricated tiny home for $9,800. It offers up to 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a kitchen. Plus, it's foldable. Talk about versatility. This tiny home can be folded down for easy transportation and storage. So if you're someone who loves to travel or move around frequently, this could be the perfect solution for you. But don't let the foldable design fool you. This tiny home is still incredibly spacious and comfortable. With up to 3 bedrooms, it can easily accommodate a family or a group of friends. The interior is surprisingly stylish too. At $9,800, it's definitely one of the more expensive options on our list. But when you consider the versatility, portability, and overall quality of this tiny home, it's actually a pretty good deal. Overall, the portable prefabricated tiny home is a great option for those who value flexibility, convenience, and modern design. Now we're looking at the tiny house to live in for $9,600. This compact yet spacious home is designed to meet the needs of modern families who are looking for an affordable and flexible living solution. This one's got 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a foldable design that makes it a strong family option. Imagine having all the essential amenities of a traditional home, but in a more efficient and cost-effective package. Introducing the tiny house to live in, a spacious and innovative dwelling that defies all expectations. Its modern design and clever use of space make it a standout choice for anyone looking to downsize without compromising on comfort. First of all, it has 3 bedrooms. This means you can comfortably accommodate a family, guests, or even use one of the rooms as a home office or hobby space. You can easily fit a queen-size bed in the master bedroom and still have room for a dresser and nightstands. The thoughtful design ensures that you have enough storage and living space to keep your home organized and cozy. This tiny house also features a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a full bathroom. The kitchen comes with modern appliances and the bathroom includes all the necessities, making it a fully functional home. It's basically a regular-sized house just shrunk down to a more manageable and affordable size. You get all the benefits of a traditional home, but with the added perks of mobility and lower costs. And let's not forget about the foldable design. This unique feature allows you to easily pack up the house and move it whenever you need to, offering unparalleled flexibility. You can pack it up and take it with you on road trips, camping trips, or even cross-country moves. The portability of this tiny house makes it perfect for adventurers and those who love to travel. The only catch is that it requires a bit of assembly. However, the assembly process is straightforward and can be a fun project for the whole family. But don't worry, it's designed to be easy to put together and there are plenty of online resources and tutorials to guide you through the process. You'll find step-by-step instructions and helpful tips to make the assembly as smooth as possible. Overall, the tiny house to live in is an incredible option for families, adventurers, and anyone who wants the freedom and flexibility of a tiny home without sacrificing space or comfort. It's a versatile and affordable solution that can adapt to your lifestyle and needs. Last but not least, we've got the customizable foldable tiny home. This innovative tiny home is designed to cater to all your needs, whether you're looking for a compact living space or something more expansive. It's priced at $9,899 and offers options from 20 feet to 40 feet. This means you can choose a size that perfectly fits your lifestyle and budget. This one's for those who want to design their dream tiny home. Imagine sketching out your ideal living space and seeing it come to life. If you're looking for the ultimate tiny home experience, look no further than the customizable, foldable tiny home. It combines luxury with practicality, making it a top choice for tiny home enthusiasts. This is the Rolls-Royce of tiny homes, the creme de la creme, the top of the line. Every detail is meticulously crafted to offer you the best living experience. Why? Because it's completely customizable. You have the freedom to choose every element, from the layout to the finishes. You can choose the size that's right for you, from a cozy 20-footer to a sprawling 40-footer. Whether you need a small retreat or a larger family home, the choice is yours. You can select the layout that best suits your needs, whether you want 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, or even 3 bedrooms. The flexibility in design ensures that your home is tailored to your specific requirements, and you can pick and choose from a wide range of finishes and features to create a space that truly reflects your personal style. From modern to rustic, the possibilities are endless. This tiny home is also foldable, which means you can take it with you wherever you go. It's perfect for those who love to travel or need a mobile living solution. And because it's customizable, you can design it to be as energy efficient and sustainable as you want. Incorporate solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and more to make your home eco-friendly. Prices start at $9,899, which is actually pretty reasonable considering the level of customization and flexibility you're getting. It's an investment in a home that adapts to your needs. Overall, the customizable foldable tiny home is the perfect option for those who want it all. Customization, flexibility, sustainability, and style. It's a versatile solution for modern living. Design your dream tiny home today. Start planning and make your vision a reality with the customizable foldable tiny home. So, what's the verdict? Buying a tiny home from Amazon under $10,000 is a fantastic option if you're looking for affordable housing, portability, or an eco-friendly lifestyle. But keep in mind the trade-offs like size limitations, material quality, and customization options. It's all about what fits your needs and budget. Which of these tiny homes caught your eye? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're into all things tiny living, Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.